Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master Revered Babuji Maharaj, Tuesday, October 12th, 1999, 8 am. Yes, we can carry on with this issue, love. We have not run out of arguments, but they are insufficient. Love cannot be explained. One experiences it, feels it, and it must be transcended. It is at the same time self sacrifice and capacity to receive. One should meditate on this formula: self sacrifice, complete sacrifice unreservedly, and unlimited capacity to receive. Both must balance out and be really experienced. It is true that not everyone is blessed with it. Speaking about it is important, and being sensitized on this aspect is too. We address the issue in the mission by trying to get to the heart of things. That is new and was not done a few years ago, especially in the Occident. Hearts are opening out. The work is being done imperceptibly. Imagine that one day you all will be nothing else but love. It would be a kind of Eden. It will take a long process to get there, but speaking about its reality and its importance constitutes quite an event. A great step is taken. It is well to organize seminars on this topic that opens consciousness. All arguments evoked make their way into the minds and cannot help but touch them. One day or the other, the greatest number will open up to this truth. In a sense, love is a more powerful force than the atom. It can transform the world, revive it, and make it radiant. It is up to you to really want it and to work in your heart to make it become reality. Babuji. Tuesday, October 12th, 1999, 10 am. We want to sensitize you on this aspect of your process. But don't feel guilty if you don't feel carried away with love. That does not prevent you from advancing. You will experience this happy state sooner or later. You are engaged in a way. You do everything we ask you to do. Your steadfastness bears its fruits even if that is neither visible to the others nor felt by you. Everyone has their own reactions, their way of being. There is no standard model. Therefore, continue to do what you can with all your heart. We do not ask of you anything more. In a group, a great diversity exists, but the entire group forms a coherent whole. The various elements of a physical body form a harmonious result which functions well. The human creature is a beautiful achievement. There, we are working together so that you can go as far as possible and spiritual realization is achieved inside you. It is the ultimate result. Let us continue to advance towards this goal for your greater happiness and ours, Babuji.